All right, we made it right to the middle of the week. So the month we're in is November. We're going to go ahead and add another day to our calendar here. If yesterday was the 18th, today must be the 19th, right? All right, looking at the 19, looking at 19, go straight up the calendar, and that tells you the day of the week. It starts with a T and an H, not just a T, because when T and H are together, it changes the sound of both of those letters. And when T and H are together, you put your tongue between your top and your bottom teeth, and it sounds like this. Thursday. Today is Thursday. So let's go ahead and put Thursday here. Today is Thursday. Let's find out what yesterday was. Remember, yesterday already happened, so we have to go backwards to find out what yesterday was. Here we are at Thursday. Jump back. Oh, it's Wednesday. All right. Yesterday was Wednesday. All right, so Wednesday, Thursday, what comes next? Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. And if you look on the calendar, you'll see that too. Here's Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Tomorrow happens in the future. It hasn't happened yet. Tomorrow will be Friday. Let's go ahead and go to our Days of the Week song. And I want you to sing it with me so we learn these days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Alrighty, let's move on. Yesterday was our 67th day of school. I'm using those ordinal numbers, the 67th day of school. So what is one more than 67? 68. 68. So we look at our place value. In the 10 spot, we have 6. So we have 6 tens. There they are across the bottom. In the ones place, we have an 8. Well, that means we have to add another cube down here so that we have 8 cubes. Now we have 8 ones. So let's count them. First, we start out counting by tens. Then we have to switch and count by ones. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. In school for 68 days. So let's go ahead and count to 68 on looking at our 100 chart. I want you to count with me because we have to be able to count all the way to 100 by the end of kindergarten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, our 68th day of school. All right, we're getting a new shape today. Let's take a look. It is a rectangle, So here's our picture of our rectangle. And let's talk about sides and corners of this rectangle. Now remember, corners are where two sides come together. So it's that point where two sides come together. So in a rectangle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 corners. And in a rectangle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. All right. Can you see a picture over here that is an example of a rectangle? Right, the door is an example of a rectangle. And We had a square, and it had 4 corners and 4 sides. And the difference is, remember I told you that a square has sides that are all the same size. That this one is as long as this one, and this one, and this one. They're all the same length. But with a rectangle, it's different. I sing the rectangle song, 2 sides short and 2 sides long. Sing the rectangle song, 2 sides short and 2 sides long. That helps you remember that that is a rectangle. And I'll leave a discussion box so that you can go around and look to see if you can find an example of a rectangle at your house. All right, just a quick review of all of our 2D shapes: circle, triangle, rhombus, square, rectangle. Good. And the number that we're going to review today is the number 8. It's the number 8. Let's go ahead and put 8 bears in our jar. So there's 1. I'm going to count and scoot. 2, 3, 4. I'm halfway there. 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we go. There's 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. 4 plus 4 must equal 8. Now our 10 frame doesn't show 8. We have to go down here and get another little circle to put in our 10 frame. Now that's a 10 frame that shows 8. And for our tally marks, we need to go grab another tally and add that down here. This group of tally marks, we can already say 5 because it has that line through it, so we know that there's 5. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Well, I'll see you in a minute with a book that I think that you're really going to like.